Hello everyone and welcome back to another chapter of RWBY Volume 5, Chapter 14, Haven's Fate. This is the last chapter of Volume 5, and after this one we will continue into the Volume 6. If there are no... I believe there is a trailer to check out first after, but yeah, we will see about that. But yeah, in the previous episode, Cinder and Raven fought. Raven won, and well, Yang just jumped down into the vault to I guess have a little chat with Mom. And yeah, everything above the ground looks to be going into our favor, so let's see how this concludes. So yeah, without any further ado, if you want to see the full uncut version of this reaction, you can find it on my Patreon, link is in the description below. Let's go. Surrender.
Ceasefire immediately.
Thank you.
Oh,
I'm going to make you regret ever coming back.
we will have one-on-one.
Police are on their way, Adam. Huntsman too.
Still too afraid to face me on your own.
I'm here for Haven, not you.
You are still afraid, and you should be. I've made powerful friends while you've been away.
Oh yeah?
Friends?
Where?
Tell me, does Blake make all of her classmates fight for her?
Nah, it's a volunteer gig. I'm just saying, for someone who claims to have such great friends, there doesn't seem to be a lot of people here willing to fight for you.
Well, well.
You can try and make me regret coming here, Adam. But honestly, I've got more important things to deal with.
You're running.
Son, wait!
But he's getting away! We can take him!
No, we can't. He wants to lure us away so he can pick us off. We need to protect the school and the people here.
Oh, she knows how he fights, I guess.
Now he can see what it feels like to run away. Thank you.
We all need help sometimes.
Yeah,
I
go
think
there.
there's a few people who could use yours.
Be careful.
No promises.
Whoa, whoa.
You guys okay?
Surviving.
I don't know how that big guy's still standing. He recharges his aura faster than I've ever seen.
He's sheer willpower.
We just need to get him to his limit.
What? What is his limit? Whoa. Impressive.
Are you hurt?
No, I just remember you being more of the quiet one.
Not today.
All right. Well, what's the plan, Ruby?
Oh, he's off too.
You've got to be kidding me.
Checkmate!
Oh, here we go. Checkmate move.
I warned you, Yang. I gave you every opportunity to walk away from Crow and Oz. So you can believe me when I say this wasn't personal.
You opened the vault.
Thanks to the chaos you and your friends caused upstairs. I knew you could handle it. You're my daughter, after all.
Crow and Oz told me how the maiden powers were transferred. The girl you found. She would have had to have trusted you if you were in her final thoughts. Cared about you a lot.
I'm sure they told you plenty, and you just sat and obeyed.
No. I'm starting to ask questions like you said. So tell me, what happened to the last Spring Maiden? Did she die in battle? Was it sickness?
What does it matter to you?
I could already see the answer.
She killed her?
It's all over your face. How could you?
She was scared when we found her. Weak. No matter how much training I put her through, she never learned. She wasn't cut out for this world. And with those powers, she would have been hunted her entire life. What I did
wasn't personal.
It was mercy.
Which is it, Mom? Are you merciful? Or are you a survivor? Did you let me walk into that trap because you knew I could handle it? Or because it meant you could get what you wanted?
It's not that simple. You don't know me. You don't know what I've been through. The choices I've had to make.
You're right. I don't know you. I only know the Raven Dad told me about. She was troubled and complicated. But she fought for what she believed in, whether it was her team or her tribe. Did you kill her too?
I've stared death in the face over and over again, and every time I've spat in that face and survived because I'm strong enough to do what others won't.
Oh, shut up! You don't know the first thing about strength. You turn your back on people. You run away when things get too hard. You put others in harm's way instead of yourself. You might be powerful, but that doesn't make you strong.
Who do you think you are, lecturing me? Standing there shaking like a scared little girl.
Yeah, I'm scared. But I'm still standing here. I'm not like you. I won't run. Which is why you're going to give me the relic.
And
Wow.
why would I?
Because you're afraid of Salem! And if you thought having maiden powers put a target on your back, imagine what she'll do when she finds out you have a relic. She'll come after you with everything she has. Or she could come after me. And I'll be standing there, waiting for her.
Kinda impressive.
You don't want to do this, Yang.
Nope. But I'm gonna do it anyway.
I'm sorry.
It's an actual tear.
Me too.
Wow, she actually got to her. I didn't see if she took Vernal with her to do a proper burial and everything. You were holding that in, huh? Relic of knowledge, right?
Your Grace! I was just looking for something.
Leonardo, do you have something you wish to tell me?
It was Cinder. She altered the plan. Huntsman showed up here. Crow. Several students. One with the silver eyes. The White Fang attack. It was stopped. I don't know that they'll be able to recover the relic. Your Grace, I can still be of assistance. If I leave now, I can avoid the authorities and come find you. I'll do whatever it takes. Your Grace.
I really can't understand this character.
Please, ma'am. I'll do anything. I can still be useful.
Well, well.
Please.
Death by impalement.
Coward.
Yeah, he was definitely the personification of that word.
Give up.
It's not over. Cinder will come back. She'll have the relic, and she'll stop all of you. She won't let us down.
Here comes Yank. She said she always Cinder her life, right?
Emerald, get up. We need to go. Emerald.
That was illusion for everyone here, I guess.
What was that?
An illusion. But an accurate one. That was Salem.
She passed out from that? They escaped, okay.
The police rounded up the remaining White Fang members. Haven is safe.
Unfortunately, it appears that Adam escaped.
It's okay. He was the only one to escape tonight. Those in the White Fang that followed him won't support a leader that abandons his people. He won't have their help after this. He'll have no one at all. And the White Fang will be left divided.
We've been fighting amongst ourselves for too long. Perhaps it's time for a new brotherhood. A new family for Faunus, truly working towards a better world.
And they'll need a new leader.
Huh?
What happened?
I don't know exactly. When I got down there, Cinder was gone. And Vernal was dead.
And Raven?
gone.
Well, we're all glad you're still here, Firecracker.
Are you okay? I feel like I should be asking you guys. So, Blake, what are you doing here?
I was gonna ask you three the same thing.
What kind of question is that?
That's a long story.
Well, I'm not going anywhere.
That's all that matters. That we're all here together. Right?
You lost, you found, your hard to pin down.
Yeah.
I never know if you
Group hug, go. It's about time.
then you appear. Together we're here. And that's all that matters somehow.
I don't know how, but we did it, Oz. You okay?
I'm alright.
Kid?
He's resting. Too much energy fighting.
Oh, hey, don't strain yourself.
No. He had a message. We must get the lamp to Atlas.
Okay. To the Atlas we go. Here we go. Ooh. Another song. Well, there we go. We concluded the last chapter of Volume 5. And yeah, it looks like that Haven's fate will be in the good hands now. They will need a new headmaster though, and a rebuild, but it's fine. I mean, we can count this as having the Haven Academy back and Mistral safe from the Salem, right? To some extent, at least. Not exactly sure how far of a reach she can still have after this particular fail, but I don't know. Yank actually got a Raven. Shared a tear. The last time she said that she will not hold back, but I guess she ate those words and retreated. And yeah, Yang got the relic. Now we got one of the 4 relics. The relic of knowledge, which needs to, I guess, they need to take it to the Atlas. Alright, so we will see Ironwood, hopefully. Yeah, but everyone fought very nicely. If anything else, Hazel definitely has like, I don't know how to describe him, right? He was, for his semblance and everything, I guess immune or negating the pain of everything. His whole goal to stop the Ospin, or I guess keep killing Ospin after he revives himself, that's definitely a dedication to the craft. and well, to get the revenge for his sister. I don't know, he had the most ambition fighting. Adam was completely, I mean, yeah, basically he was now the one that actually ran away, so okay, no much about making strong friends, that's for sure. Mercury didn't do anything in this particular volume. If anything else, Emerald showed that, if I remember correctly, her semblance is the illusions, but only towards one particular person, right? So here she actually, and even at the Vital Festival, right, we had a comment from her that 2 a day is a stretch. So right here she basically made the illusion of Salem to everybody else, everybody in the room. So, and then she passed out. So emotions definitely upgraded her semblance. Not sure if that is only one-time thing, or she will actually get stronger with this. But yeah, they managed to escape with that. Let's see what we have after the credits here. Oh, Ty? Raven came here. Oh my god, we have a lot of... These are all the trailers for other things. Okay. I will not be watching this. I'm only here for RWBY. But yeah, there we have it. The end for the Volume 5. We will continue. I will check out if we have any trailers for Volume 6. And yeah, I believe I mentioned everything, right? We got the group back together, a group hug, which was very needed. It looks like the Yankees accepting Blake back, which is nice. Probably we'll have more getting the conversations that we need in the next volume. And yeah, I guess another person that was really annoying throughout this whole volume was the Lionheart. He actually, like we had with the Blake in a couple of chapters back, the personifications of the words, and he definitely got the coward word nailed to a T, if not more. His decisions were very questionable throughout whole chapter, or I mean the volume. So 2 deaths, right, for this particular volume that I currently know of. More people died, definitely, probably from the Grim attacks around. But yeah, oh yeah, Corsac, or Fennec was the one that got crushed, right? So yeah, multiple deaths in this particular volume. So we are keep moving forward. Well, I guess now things will get a little more interesting now with the relic in our hands and getting it to the Atlas, which will definitely be a journey, to say at least. So yeah, let me know if I missed anything in the comments below. If you like this one, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, click the bell for notifications to be informed of my next reactions, gameplays, reviews, and other things you guys put in the comments below for me to check out. And I will see you in the next one. Bye! And now a special thank you to Reds Racer for additional support on my Patreon.